Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable tax document sharing in Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Google Drive in your web browser. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Locate the folder containing your tax documents. Right-click on the folder to open the context menu. Select Share from the options that appear. In the sharing settings, identify the users you want to restrict. If your document is shared with specific people, click on their name. Choose the option to change their permissions. Set their access to viewer or commenter if necessary. If you want to remove access altogether, click the remove icon. Next, toggle any existing links that allow access to your documents. Click on Get Link in the sharing settings window. Change the link settings to restricted to prevent others from accessing it. After adjusting the link settings, click Done to save your changes. Confirm that your folder is now marked as restricted to intended viewers only. Consider reviewing the access list periodically to ensure your documents remain secure. This will effectively disable sharing for your tax documents in Google Drive. By following these steps, your sensitive information will stay protected. Remember to always check your sharing settings before uploading new documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.